sis is wet every minute. Like, what's going on? Sometimes I'll look like, am I peeing on myself or what's Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, hey, I am Lisa. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell like button. That way you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So today, I wanted to tell you guys how So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of my first trimester, how it's been. I'm obviously my second trimester now, and I kind of just wanted to, give you guys a background, or not a background, a rundown of what has been happening during the first trimester. So if you haven't already watched the video of make sure you watch the video in which I tell you guys how I found out I was pregnant with baby number 4. It will be listed here. It will also be listed down in the comment section below. Not in the comment section, but in the info section below. I haven't filmed in a while, so please bear with me. First trimester has been one heck of a trimester compared to all my past pregnancies. I know I mentioned that with Zion it was very hard. I feel like with Zion it was hard, like body wise, like my body was in so much pain, like the ligament pain and all of that. So far so good, although something happened like the day before yesterday, which is in my second trimester, but anyways, I'll tell you guys all about that as well. Since we're here, might as well. But yeah, I feel like with Zion it was so much more like the pains, and with Zion sometimes I couldn't walk. But this baby, nausea, that was okay. The first thing was like nausea, definitely. Thankfully I'm not throwing up or anything like that, but I've been very, very nauseous like since the beginning. I cannot eat anything sweet. Well, I could not eat anything sweet. Now I can, but I just have to have my limits. I cannot go all out with that. Just have a little here and there, like every other day, not every single day. So now I can. Now I can drink my, Peak and Milo and be okay. Before I could not. I could not even get that down. I would just be so nauseous. Like my heart, I don't even know if it's my heart or my stomach. It would just turn, and it just feels like I want to throw up, and I would start like salivating a lot. But nothing will come up. But I just, the nausea was too much. During the first trimester, I could not drink room temperature water. It had to be ice cold, like I'm talking cold. And I'm usually, my teeth are sensitive. I have very sensitive teeth. So every time I drink cold water, or cold water most especially, like it messes up with my teeth, like it hurts. For some reason, it didn't hurt, like it felt good. Every time I drink cold water, it felt good this time around. But normally it would hurt. But for some reason, obviously, the hormones, I didn't feel the pain or anything. So I was able to just drink cold water. And however, now I'm able to not really fully drink room temperature water. It has to be cold. Like it has to be a little bit cold. So I have to mix it to just get like a good temperature. So that was another thing. And tired, oh my goodness, I think that must have been like the first symptom or something. I would go to sleep tired, wake up tired, like no energy whatsoever. Obviously I have 3 other kids, but thankfully I have help. But still then, like I'm just tired. I could literally not do anything and just be tired. So that's normal. I've experienced that with all the kids, so it's nothing new, but I just feel like I'm like extremely tired now. What else? Discharge. My goodness, y'all. Nobody told me about this. Okay, I don't have 3 kids. However, I did experience some discharge with the 3 kids, but this one, it feels like sis is wet every minute. Like, what's going on? Sometimes I'll look like, am I peeing on myself or what's going on? But it's ridiculous. I have to change my pads 3 to 4 times a day just because I get wet like that, like quick like that. So yeah, it's crazy. And what else has been okay? I've been using the little, I don't know what I would call it. It's like I will put the picture here. It's the same thing that I used postpartum with. I used that for my postpartum care with Zion, and that has been a life saver, changer, whatever you want to call it. It's been great. I have to, obviously, I'm not gonna shower every 2 minutes, but you know, for the most part, like I have to literally rinse down there at least 3 times a day, just because it gets moist, and obviously I don't want it to just be moist like that, because that's how you get infections and stuff like that. So I always want to keep it fresh, because the discharge are real. So this is crazy. It's something I've seen some women experience that before. You know, they say that they experience that, like a lot of discharge, but I've never, like, well, this is my first time. So like they say, there's a first time to everything. So this is it, a lot of discharge. But now, that was in the first trimester though. Now it's a lot better. It's gotten so much better. I'm having discharge, but I'm having to change my pads like maybe twice a day, not as much anymore. And I'm still, you know, obviously taking my bath twice a day, and that's that for the discharge. And then what else? Okay, so like I said, I was gonna tell you guys, the day before yesterday, I was just sitting on the couch. I tried to stand up, and I had a shooting pain my left butt here, and I could not walk. I was literally limping. It was that bad. And that's something I experienced with Zion a lot, like from the beginning. I had that with Zion, but yeah, I experienced that the other day, so that was not fun at all. It lasted for a couple of days, but yeah, I'm trying to also do exercise. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I tried to do exercise. Okay, my leg. I tried to exercise in the beginning, but I was too tired for that. Now that I'm having more energy, I want to do a little bit more exercises, and I want to obviously, you know, do something safe, but just to move my body, so that way I won't have all those cramps or like pains and stuff like that. That's what my doctor advised anyways. So I'm gonna try to do that. So be expecting some I guess pregnancy fitness. I'm not gonna do too much though. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna do a little some, you know, just to keep my body moving and going, my blood flowing. Then did I rhyme? I don't know. But anyways, what else I wanted to tell you guys? My boobs. I feel like no changes in my boobs. They just feel normal. They feel like maybe milk is going inside. I don't know. My boobs have never really been a huge. They look a little plump, but then I don't know if it's the bra I'm wearing. Honestly, I don't know. But yeah, no, I can say there's like a huge change in my breast. But it's crazy how God works, and just this whole pregnancy thing works. But yeah, been there 3 times. This is my 4th time, and yeah, it's been rough, but we're holding up. And yeah, that is it for my first trimester rundown. It wasn't too much, but if you have any other questions that you would like to ask, please feel free to leave them down below. I've gained a couple of pounds already, but I'm working towards like limiting that, because I really don't want a big baby. Honestly, I just want like a 6-pound baby. I'll be very happy with that. Like 7 pounds is just like overdoing it, you know. But hey, 6 pounds baby is okay. But so yeah, I have to definitely watch what I eat. Now that in my 2nd trimester, I'm able to eat more, which I was not able to eat a lot in my 1st trimester at all. But yeah, so far so good. Everything is going well, and I just pray that it will keep going that way. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. I'll speak to you in my next video very soon. Bye.